Up and back, lifting up through the front body, finding this crescent lunge, uncurl the back toes and root down through the front of that back foot. Inhale in, beautiful. Exhale, bring it down. Left hand comes to the earth. Option, you can keep the back knee lowered here or curl the toes under, lift the left knee, reach the left heel all the way back. As you inhale, reach the right arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the right fingertips down to touch the earth. Inhale, reach the right arm up, big twist. Exhale, let it float down. Inhale, last time, reach it up. Exhale, rain it and feel your core muscles turn on here. And exhale, send it back. Moving with your breath. Underneath your hands, or just take a second here to roll your shoulders a little forward, up and back here. Now let's bring our attention back to that midline. So hugging the inner thighs in, we'll reach the fingertips forward up. The next time you're lifted on all fours, you're gonna walk the knees in underneath the hip points and step the right foot up into a nice low lunge. Walk the left knee back just a bit and then take a second here. You can bring your blocks